Hello everyone, this is a follow-up video on stock REGI. So you notice here, it's a pretty nice level of support. We made a video a couple of days ago in regards to this stock prior to today's move. Today we had a pretty nice move at the open, right from $14.30 all the way to $16.10. And what we spoke about the other day was this nice support right here at the crossover of the Bollinger Band. This is a 2-year chart, and if you can notice here, these two green lines here signify the area of support that we were looking for to determine where the stock was probably going to jump from. And exactly the same thing that we were thinking about is what happened today. Very nice jump up today right at the open. I'm gonna pull the time frame here so I can show you how it looked right at the open. This is what it did right at the open. We had a Bollinger Band crossover here, pretty nice support at the 100 and the 50, run up right here from this candle pre-market 1431, although nobody's trading it at this time of the day. But once it started pushing up right here, it went all the way to 16.10. But again, we were watching this stock from the last few days when we made the first video.